Do you want to know how I made these filled Yorkshire puddings? Well, keep watching this page. I'm outside Lidl, let's go and see what savvy idea I can cook up tonight. Grab a basket and let's get to it. First off, going to grab myself some pigs in blankets, and they're $1.99. Next on the list is some Yorkshire puddings. Now I'm going for these frozen ones, but you can make your own if you like. Also, you're going to need some brie. And finally, some runny honey. So I'm going to be making some filled Yorkshire puddings. So let's get it home and cook it up. So I'm back home now, guys, and do you know what? I'm just doing a little savvy Christmas idea. So you only need 4 things, which are the Yorkshire puddings, the brie, pigs in blankets, and the runny honey. Now, you can add any type of sauce to it if you like. Mark is now giving me some cranberry sauce. But the first thing that we have to do is get the pigs in blankets into the air fryer. Now again, you could also get yourself some little chipolatas, put the bacon on yourself, but for £1.99, this is a bargain. So whilst they're cooking away, I'm just going to cook my brie up. And do you know that you can actually eat the white on the brie? Don't forget to pay the cheese tax. So the cheese is all chopped up now. I have eaten a fair few of them. And I'd just like to thank each and every one of you for liking, sharing and following my page. And the pigs in blankets are done. So we're going to get these out. Look how nice do they look. So I'm just going to pop those on the side. So get your brie. If you don't like brie, you could use blue cheese. I know Mark loves blue cheese, but I love brie. And brie is so Christmassy, isn't it? Be nice with actually a cranberry one, so you could get a cranberry cheese as well. So pop these into your Yorkshire puddings. I've bought them already done. You could have made them yourself quite easily, or even if you had some left over from your Christmas dinner, these would be ideal for Boxing Day, or if you've got, you know, a buffet going on. Have a quick one. So with there being 12 in the packet, and we've got 6 Yorkshire puddings, we're going to be popping 2 in each. And I must say, these for £1.99 are absolutely delicious. If you want to, guys, you could use cocktail sausages and bacon bits instead. So basically, that's all you do. I'm going to get my runny honey over these. Any amount you like. You could use maple sauce as well. But this is honey. I think honey, brie and bacon go. And these are just going to go into the oven now for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to pop them on 180. And they are ready to get out. Wow, they smell amazing. Look at those. Oh. I'm just going to let them cool now before I take a bite. Taste test. The honey makes it taste amazing. Are you just eating it with your hands? Guys, you need to make these. So easy, anyone can do it.